Hello guys, today I've got Creative Outlier Free Headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a factory reset. So, how to perform a factory reset. The first thing that you need to do is to find these buttons. And here in this headphones, this is called Master Reset. To initiate the Master Reset, you need to enter the Bluetooth pairing mode at first. So, hold the power button when your headphones are powered off and keep holding it for 5 seconds till you see that we are now in the pairing mode. This is the pairing mode now. And here now you need to hold the volume plus and minus for 5 seconds upon completion, yeah. This is the factory reset. When your headphones are turned off, it finishes. That's it. Bye.